You may have accidentally deleted some apps on your iPhone, or maybe an app has encountered a problem, and now you urgently need to restore it. Whatever the reason, it's crucial to know how to recover deleted apps on iPhone. This guide provides you with 3 options to achieve this goal. Part 1. How to recover deleted apps on iPhone from App Library. First of all, open and unlock your iPhone. Find the App Library. Enter the name of the application you want to find and restore in the search field. Press and hold the app, then drag it to your phone's home screen. Part 2. How to restore deleted apps on iPhone from App Store. Turn on and unlock your iPhone. Run the App Store. Turn to the lower right corner and click the search button. Enter the name of your lost application to find it. Click Get to download the app again. Part 3. How to retrieve deleted apps on iPhone from iTunes. Connect iPhone to your Mac. Run Finder on your Mac and navigate to Applications iTunes. Click your iPhone icon on the iTunes interface and select Apps. Find the app you deleted or lost and click the Install button to install it. Bonus: restore more iPhone data with Doctor for iOS. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a professional iPhone data recovery tool that allows you to recover lost contacts, text messages, etc. directly from iPhone. It also helps you selectively restore iPhone from iTunes or iCloud backup if you have one. Let's see how to use Doctor for iOS to recover deleted data from your iPhone. Step 1. Install and launch Doctor for iOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the Doctor for iOS on your computer. Launch it and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Scan your iPhone for deleted data. Click on the Next button to let the program analyze your iPhone. On the next window, you'll see a list of all the recoverable data categories. Choose the category you need and click Start Scan. Step 3. Retrieve deleted data from iPhone. After the scanning process, you can preview and select the specific data you want to recover. Once the data selection is finished, click on Recover to Computer and choose a location on your computer to save the recovered data.